Thai has 10 high-class consonants in total. Do you have all of them memorized? It's quite a lot to remember, isn't it? But actually, there's a way to learn all 10 at once, just by memorizing a single sentence. Today, I'll show you how. All you need to do is remember one sentence. Let's take a look. Here's the phrase. ผีฝากถุงข้าวสารให้ฉัน In English, it means a ghost entrusts a bag of rice for someone to give to me. A ghost asking someone to deliver a rice sack? It's a bit of a strange story, but that's exactly what makes it easy to remember. First, paw. This letter appears in P, which means ghost.
Second, faw. Faw means to entrust. Third, taw. Tung means bag. This sound also has a sibling letter, taw. Fourth, caw. Cow. Cow means rice. Fifth, saw. San is also related to rice here. This sound has two sibling letters as well. Saw and saw. Sixth, haw. Hai means to give. Seventh, chaw. Chan means me.
Now let's read through the whole phrase again. ผีฝากถุงข้าวสารให้ฉันผีฝากถุงข้าวสารให้ฉัน The high consonants that appeared were these 7. Paw, faw, taw, caw, saw, haw, chaw. ผีฝากถุง
ข้าว
สารให้ฉัน Here's a bonus tip. The TH sound isn't only taw. It also has a sibling letter, taw. The S sound isn't only saw. It also has two more siblings, saw and saw. They look different, but they're pronounced the same. So once you know this phrase, you've actually covered all 10 letters. Let's go through it one more time. The phrase and all 10 high consonants. ผีฝากถุงข้าวสารให้ฉันผีฝากถุงข้าวสารให้ฉัน A ghost entrusts a bag of rice for someone to give to me. With this one sentence, you've mastered all 10 high consonants.
So, how was that? You've now completely mastered all 10 high-class consonants. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned.